game jam and in the spirit of building the community, we thought it would be really good to provide as lowest possible price. I mean, obviously, it's really crazy low price. So if you don't want to continue, by all means cancel your account. We're not gonna we can't do that. But the hope is that you see some value in the tools, and $20 isn't all that much. There are also discounts that you can find as well.
So this offer, just to correct you, Mr. Nihal, the offer only is for this game jam. So it will be obviously just for 1 month. So for $1, you will be getting 100 credits, and from this 100 credits, you can generate 100 different models through AI. And after 1 month, of course, either you can cancel your plan or you can pay $20 a month. So this is specially like Game Jam offer. Even the coupon code will be somewhere around Game Jam. We will reveal you the coupon code very soon. I think I'll either mail you or post it in the WhatsApp group. But yeah, it's a very exclusive deal only for this Game Jam. So we are getting some more question. Okay, I think this is like a very common one, but I believe Max, you can address it very clearly. Does AI generated models have clean topology?
It depends. I would say that as a general rule, you're not going to get the perfect topology that you'd get if a human artist had made it. It depends on the asset, and if you're looking to create a photorealistic human, unfortunately, you're likely to be disappointed. But I would say that if you use low poly settings and you can adjust the settings, and as you create tools, jump into the platform momentarily. I'll quickly show you as an example. Let's imagine we're here and we decide to go image to 3D. We'd go to maybe single view. Maybe we put in, let's put an example asset, anything. Let's go with this asset. It's like a trainer or something like that. These are guides about what works well. So like T-pose, if you're doing character, it's good to do in a T-pose, getting that asset. We generally generate a single model. We like to do the parts of auto assembly. That's probably the best setting. Baked textures tends to give you the best result. It does cost an extra 2 credits. We'd often say do 1 or 2 variations, but you can eat up your credit for that as well. But if you don't do parts in auto assembly and you go to base there, then you can set polys. And if you do lower poly outputs, then you can reduce that. If you do, there are also some retopology options as well. That you get. If you get this character, you can go to AI retopology, which will then create much more optimized outputs. So some examples of some retopology examples. You can get much more optimized outputs than what you'd otherwise normally get. But that's it. Whereas the original mesh, and this is slightly old now, was more like that, which is slightly more chaotic. So it is fair to say that, and that was also at 200k polys as well. So I would say that you're not going to get perfect topology, and I'd say that for the use case that I would imagine for the game jam is that you can create prototypes very quickly. If you're a character that you need topology with deformations, you're not going to get perfect topology at this point out of the box. But if you spend a bit more time, then absolutely you can work with those tools, work with it, and take it into a tool like Blender.
Yeah. And Max, for this particular subscription, this is like my personal question. Do our contestants will be able to use that auto animation feature as well, where you can directly rig the model and have basic animations?
Yeah, the animation tool will work. I would recommend putting a character into a T pose before you load them in, because you'll get much better results. Otherwise, the arms tend to sort of be attached to the legs in strange ways. So, but if the animation tools should be if you sign up rather than on the free version, then you should be able to access the tools.
Okay. So as you can see, I have opened this huge library of 3D created assets. So can I download these assets? Like I have
Believe
not generated this asset, but can I download it? Like,
the community assets. Yeah, I believe you can. Yeah.
let me try. So guys, yes, this is another major update from CSM. So you guys can actually download a lot of models from their library, right? So you just have to click over here, GLB, and you can actually import this in Zimension. Let me try and show you. And we'll quickly cover another feature as well, which is, I guess, I have to click here, right, Max? Yeah. Uh,
I can't.
animation.
I can't see your
Yeah.
screen.
Okay. This is the maybe in the stream there will be some delay. After that, it will be here.
Right.
So it's AI Animate, the name of the tool. First, you have to go to More Tools, and then you have to click on AI Animate. Here you
Yeah.
can actually upload your image of the character you want, and it will rec. Or maybe can I upload a T-pose character which is not created from CSM? Okay, so if you guys can upload your 3D model here in a T-pose, so it will have all those animations. Let
Yes, I think that should normally work. I actually haven't tried that myself, but that should work. Yeah.
Indian design. Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah, I did generated a Squid Game character. Can I animate that? Let me try that. So,
I'd recommend, unless it's in a T pose, I'd recommend getting it. Like I would use Chat to 3D
it
to
was in
get.
a T-pose. It was in
Okay.
T-pose. That's why. So, that's really interesting. Can I see where are my assets? My own assets. My assets, yes. Okay. Yeah, this is my assets, and these are generated by our community. You can see this house, these dogs. So basically, these are not community assets. These are the assets, from Zimension's official account.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay. So I can click on AI Animate, and I will add basically all these animations, and I'll click on Generate and see the magic.
I can't see your screen, I'm afraid, so I don't know. I'm probably not able to.
In the stream, maybe you will be able to see, because again, if I share my screen, then there will be a lot of trouble during the live stream. But I'm sure that our correct the live stream is right in front of me, and they can see everything. So, okay, now the model is loading. Okay, guys. So now the AI generated model has also been animated by few clicks. You can see I can select different animations like punching, jumping, running. I think the jumping animation is loading. So, Max, yeah, it's loaded. Boom. So, Max, if I download this object now, does the object will have all these animations? Because I can quickly demonstrate that in Dimension. Or
Yes,
it
that's
is
the case.
okay. Let me download the GLB file again, and I'll open Dimension, create another world, AI Gen. Okay, guys, fingers crossed. We are just uploading the AI animation thing.
Awesome. I'm going to have to jump there, but Zishan, thank you so much for inviting me,
Yeah.
and really looking forward to see what you all make. Tag
Yes,
us.
yes.
Really appreciate it. And of course, yeah, please share what the outputs are. I'm very excited to see what games you all make.
Yes, yes, Mac, thank you for coming. Thank you for giving your time. I hope we'll have another session maybe during the end of the game jam and see like how many people have used AI and how like AI is touching this industry so much. Thank you, Mac. Thank you. Thank you. I will also thank Common Sense Machine to give us a generous offer. And see you, Max. Bye. Take care.